So you're in the market for a new microphone, probably for gaming, streaming, Zoom meetings, or even for your YouTube channel, and you don't have enough money to spend on a Shure SM-V7 or a Rode microphone or a higher end microphone. Well, look no further than this microphone right here, which is the Fifine Ampligame. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that this was my preferred microphone for a very long time. This is the Yodo USB microphone, and it literally is or was my first USB microphone. But after a while, I began to notice some issues here and there, and I made the decision to upgrade my microphone. The Fifine Ampligame offers everything I need as a content creator when it comes to my microphone, and it still has a bunch of features that are very nice additions here and there. The packaging is really nice with this black and red box. Unfortunately, during shipping, the box was quite damaged, but you get the gist. It's a very nice box. Inside the box, you get the microphone itself, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a small tripod stand. I don't really use the tripod stand because I have a boom arm and this is just a lot more convenient for me, but the tripod is heavy and high quality, and if you don't have a boom arm already, you should be able to use this microphone perfectly with the provided tripod stand. Getting to the microphone itself, it has a bunch of interesting features. So it records using a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it picks up sound best when you're speaking directly in front of the microphone, and that is why this inbuilt pop filter is there to help you know what side of the microphone is the front, so you're always speaking in the correct place. This pop filter is not removable or not detachable, and neither is the shock mount, so you're going to have to put that into consideration when you are purchasing this microphone. At the bottom of the microphone, we have this volume knob. Now, this is used to increase or decrease the gain of the microphone when you are speaking, and I will demonstrate right now. So as you can hear, I'm speaking, and I am still 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 speaking. Okay, and you should probably hear the gain of the microphone slowly increase, and if you are enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. But that aside, I'm sure you've noticed the RGB lights that have been glowing all through this video, and they also serve another function apart from just being aesthetically pleasing, and that is to notify you or to indicate if your microphone is muted or not. At the top of the microphone, there is a touch sensitive zone, which when you tap it, I'm pretty sure you did not hear what I said, but I said when you tap it, it completely turns off the sound of the microphone. And as you noticed, when I tapped the top of the microphone, the lights went off. So this is to show that the microphone was muted, and when it's on, the microphone is unmuted. So it's very easy for you to remember. Just tap it when you're in your Zoom meeting or in your classroom or in your whatever it is that you're doing and you don't want people to hear what you're saying. You don't want to be caught talking about your teacher behind your back while your microphone is unmuted, do you? Aside from that, another thing I really enjoy about the microphone is the fact that it connects via USB-C, which is a more easily found cable nowadays, as my previous microphone connected via USB-B or mini USB. Yeah, I don't know what USB this is.
What the hell is even that?
But I think it's USB-B to USB-A. It's quite difficult to find this cable, basically. Of course, if you feel like the RGB lights are a bit too distracting or a bit too, I don't know, gamerish for your taste. I mean, it is a gaming microphone, so there has to be RGBs. But if you feel like you don't like the RGBs and you don't want to mute the microphone, you could just get a foam filter and put it on top of the microphone like this. Now, clearly, this foam filter was not meant for this particular microphone as the opening is quite small, but if you do want to get a foam filter, I'm sure you will take your measurements before you go out and purchase one. Personally, I don't mind the RGBs, and I feel like the foam filter might hinder the audio quality a bit, so I'm just going to take it off. And yeah, so you can just keep that in mind if you want to add a foam filter or something. By the way, all the audio you've heard in this video has been coming straight from the Fifine Ampligame without any sort of tempering or noise reduction or additional gain or whatnot. I'm not touching this audio in any way whatsoever, and if after recording I realize there were some problems, I will just leave some graphics below to show you what I did to the audio if I did decide to do anything. Interesting. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the Fifine Ampligame microphone in the comment section right below the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. My name is Johannes, this is Tech PhD, and I'll see you in one of the videos showing on the screen right around everywhere here. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.